Yes, look how this guy made about $3.4 thousand. That's about $3,450 in Fiverr. This is not magic, it's real. This is just my friend. It's just a very good friend of mine, and I can say how he's doing well. And I say, let me come to this my channel today and get all of you understood what he's doing, how he made this money. How he made this money. Is it real? It's possible. Look at it. $3,450 in Fiverr. You can even make more than this, and you just have about just 9 active orders. Is giving this man about $3,450. How possible is that? Yes, it's possible. If this is your first time, this Promise Jure, this is my channel, this is your boy. Please do it to subscribe to my channel. I have other videos for you here. This one talks about how to stay online with Fiverr, top 6 practical ways to make money online. And this one says Fiverr tutorials for beginners, how to make money on Fiverr even with no skills. Please do it to subscribe to this channel. Just click this red button and subscribe to this channel. I guess you'll be signing. Just subscribe and turn on the notification bells so that in case I bring more videos, you can be first to learn about this. Yes, welcome to Fiverr. What do you do to make this kind of money that this guy made here? What can you do to make this kind of money? And the trick what I'm going to tell you today is what this guy just did. The same thing he did, I will tell you, and just follow up, and you can even make more than him. In short, I want to know if others are making that already. Look at this seller here. Look at this seller here. This seller is having about 15 orders in queue, and the premium for this service is just about $250. So let's calculate if you can make more than what that guy made. $250. Let's imagine you have about $15, 15 orders in queue. Let's punch the calculator. Calculator open. So we're talking about $250 times 15 orders. Imagine. Yeah, in short, you're even earning more than what that guy is earning. About $3,750 you're going to make in just offering this service. What is that service? It's articles, writing of articles. It's a simple task. It's not difficult. Look at what it is talking about here. Say articles and post blogs. So if you are good in writing, you can make this money like what the guy is doing here right now. What about this person here? The person is just offering about $2,050 for writing. Just for writing articles too. Let's go. Say this person says, I will write and edit your brand profile and SEO strategy for $2,050. For how many words? Let's see how many words this person is writing for. The person is not stating the words here, but this one is telling us he's writing for just 1,500 words for $250. I imagine you have about 15 orders, and yeah, I can deliver this service for how long? For just a maximum number of 4 days. You can deliver this service $250 in just 4 days. And if you are smart, there's this I'm going to show you right now. In just even 1 day, you deliver this job in 1 day. What a strategy! Keep watching. Do it to subscribe to my channel. And help me, your boy grow so that we can start making money together on Fiverr. I've made money from Fiverr, and I'm still making money on Fiverr. I can't stop. I can't keep quiet. I have to come here and get you understood or known about what is making people make money on Fiverr. So what's that service I'm talking about right now? It's article writing. How do you deliver this service? Maybe you've not had any skill before. You can still watch this video too on how to earn for Fiverr and make money without skills. There are some other tutorials here, about 21 minutes video. You can watch and get some things learned. But let's move on. In case you want to write article and you don't know anything about article writing, I would advise you to come to google.com, and in this platform called Fiverr, the buyer may just come and ask you that, hey, please, I want to write an article on health for me. Health, maybe talking about diabetes. I don't know about it, but just tell the person that, yes, I can do that for you. What do? Come to Google. Google.com, you can just type health and fitness articles, and you can see other people who are already writing stuff like that. They are here. Look at them. You will say, what are the mental and physical health benefits of exercise? Just come to the articles and others. You see what they wrote. You can just copy them, copy the articles, and come to another place that I will teach you on how to rewrite them. Then other place you can see get articles from again is Asian articles. In Asian articles, you can see other articles about health and fitness. You can see many topics. So it doesn't matter the kind of topic that person will tell you to write for him or her on Fiverr. If you just hear the topic, just try to limit the topic to a particular something. Maybe person telling you that I want to write about health. On which topic? Maybe it might just be weight loss, obesity, or the bad. Come to this website called Asian Articles and look for maybe hair loss. Click on it. You see other guys who have written about health loss before now. Just get their articles out. Let's wait for it to load. Here, look at them here. Health and fitness, health loss article category. You can see other topics here. Other guys have written about it. So can you come here that click on this one? Says top 5 benefits of laser hair removal. When you get these articles, you don't want to do word for word because you might just be going in for plagiarism, which will not be good for your business. So what do? Just come here, copy everything you see here. Copy everything you see here. Just copy everything. Don't waste time. Copy everything here. And mind you, the person might just tell you how many number of words that he or she wants to write for him. So you can come here for you to know the number of words you want to write for a person. After copying, go to Microsoft Word and paste there. Paste everything you have just copied into Microsoft Word. Mind you, you are going to have some stuff following here, like these words you see here. Try to remove them from this place. You don't need them. Remove all of them. Paste everything here and start editing. But how do you start editing? Just delete this one out of it too. That OP is not there. Delete it out. Then copy everything from this place again. Copy everything from this place and go to this place called Queen Boot. It's a very good website for you to rewrite your articles. Just paste your articles there and get them rewritten for you. This site is going to rewrite everything for you and change every word for you to look as if you are the one who already had this article by yourself, who wrote this article by yourself. On that website you can go to, it's called Spinboot. Spinboot.com. You can paste your articles here too and write it for you. You see, it can rewrite everything for you again. See your written text, just place arrow and spin it. Then another article you want to go to, another website you want to go to is Small SEO Tools. It's another place for you to write articles. It's a very good place for you to write an article, and they will have this plagiarism checker too. In case any article you wrote, if it's not making sense, if it's written in other website, this website can tell you too that it's written on other website. Then you can write again. Then when you are done, just come to this place again and paste them very well here. Then when you are done, when you paste them, come to this spot here, highlight all of them, Ctrl A, highlight. Then come to this spot that says area. Choose area. The size of this text font should be 16 so that it can be eligible. Then you can save it in your doc format. Then when you save it, come to Fiverr again, come to Fiverr and deliver the service. And before you know it, the buyer will say, the buyer might just want you to make 1 or 2 changes, and when those changes are done, man, you're in for it. You're already in for it. And making this money on Fiverr will just be as simple as ABC. This is what people are doing. Writing articles is very easy, but you may just be a first timer. Maybe if you're a first timer in this Fiverr platform, I will not want to encourage you to go for this kind of price. It may be too high for you because you're a new seller. That this person is a top rated seller, so the person can go really high. But doesn't take anything from you. Try to shield the big boys, because if you want to aim high, you need to work with those who are already on top. So what do? You can, in your business, you can just say you can run this service for about $10. I don't encourage you to go for anything $5. People who go for $5 will keep asking questions, go for revisions, and don't date, man, who can't see order. But if you go for the high price, like $10, $50, $40, $100, when they come, they know you're in for business, and those guys have money. And people who have money, they don't like stressing people. Only the poor will want to disturb you. So go for the high ones, and before you know, with time, you can come to this level and start to or render services for $2,500 or $2,050, like this person here. You render service for just 2 of them, you made money. It's simple like as that. It's very simple. So making money from Fiverr is not a difficult thing. Article writing is one of the trending gigs that people are used to make money right now. Like that guy that I told you before right now. You can start making money even more than that guy if you follow the tips I've given you in this video. Please, it's your boy Promise once more. Please do it to subscribe to my channel. I want my channel to be up to 1,000 followers. I will do it to give you videos almost every day. Almost every day. As long as I see it working, if I hear it working, if I know it's working, man, I'm here. I'll come here very fast and get you guys well educated about what is working online, even Fiverr. Making money from Fiverr is simple. Making money online is simple. It's just if you follow the right tips that you are giving. Thanks for watching. Bye.